Welcome to English with Norberto, the place where learning English feels natural and fun. Here, you'll learn English the way people actually use it. Through real conversations, practical situations, and easy-to-follow dialogues. Each lesson is designed to help you understand faster, speak with confidence, and improve your listening naturally. So if you're ready to make real progress in your English, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new lesson. Alright, let's jump into today's conversation. Scene 1. The key insight.
So yesterday I heard someone say, I don't have many money, but I have a lot of friends.
Wait, that sounds okay now.
Not exactly. And here's the problem: people understood the idea, but it sounds off.
Oh no, I think I've said that before.
Be honest, have you ever said something like, I have much friends, or I need many water? Yeah, this is where most people make mistakes.
Okay, now I'm nervous.
Don't worry. After this episode, you'll never say this wrong again.
Promise?
Promise.
Scene 2. The background.
So, Alex, I went to the supermarket yesterday. And I said, excuse me, I need many bread.
Ah, classic.
The guy looked confused. And then he said, you mean a lot of bread?
Exactly. That's a perfect example.
But why a lot of? Why not many?
Great question. It depends on something very important. Is the noun countable or uncountable?
Okay, like apples?
Yes. You can say 1 apple, 2 apples.
And bread?
You don't say 1 bread, 2 breads normally.
Oh, okay, I see the problem.
Good. Pay attention to this, because everything today depends on this idea.
Scene 3. Understanding the flow.
Let's start simple. Countable nouns: apples, cars, friends. Uncountable nouns: water, money, time.
Okay, so I can say I have much friends?
Ah, that's the mistake. Many friends is correct because friends is countable.
So much is only for uncountable?
Exactly. Much water, much money, many friends, many cars. But in real life, we don't use much a lot in positive sentences. Yeah, we usually say a lot of water or a lot of money. Your turn. Say this correctly. I have homework.
I have many homework?
Close, but no. Homework is uncountable. I have a lot of homework or much homework, but less natural. Now let's talk about some and any. Use some in positive sentences. I have some apples. I need some water. Use any in questions and negatives.
Okay, so I say I don't have some money?
That sounds strange. I don't have any money because it's negative. Question: do you have coffee?
Any?
Perfect. Now positive: I want coffee.
Some.
Quick rule: some equals yes, any equals question or no. Boom. Done. Few equals countable, little equals uncountable.
I say I have few time?
Almost, but not correct. Little time because time is uncountable. Also, few means almost none, a few means some.
That's a big difference.
Choose the correct one. I have minutes.
A few?
Now, I have patience.
Little?
Perfect.
Scene 4. Guided practice.
Okay, Sam, you're ordering coffee.
Hi, I'd like many coffee, please.
Try again.
Oh, I'd like a lot of coffee.
Better but more natural. I'd like a coffee or 2 coffees.
Okay, do you have some milk?
Good, but it's a question.
Oh, do you have any milk? I don't have many money, so just 1 coffee.
Ah, another mistake. Much money or a lot of money.
I don't have a lot of money, so I'll take 1 coffee. Do you have any sugar?
Yes, that was perfect.
Scene 5. Closing thoughts.
Alright, let's review. Countable versus uncountable. Many friends, much money. Some versus any. I want some coffee, do you have any coffee? Few versus little. A few friends, little time. Repeat after me. I have a lot of time.
Repeat, I have a lot of time.
Repeat after me. Do you have any questions?
Repeat, do you have any questions?
Repeat after me. I have a few friends.
Repeat, I have a few friends.
I feel a lot better.
Now it's your turn. Write in the comments. One sentence with many, one with much, or a lot of, and one with some or any. If you want to speak English like natives actually do, subscribe to English with Norberto channel. Every week we break down real English that textbooks don't teach.
Thanks for watching. And see you in the next session.